So in this quick tutorial I will show you how to easily change your YouTube channel username. This is my current channel name, Ekramul Hassan, so I want to change it. For that you need to go your setting icon first from the top right corner, then you have to select view your channel. Then this is the interface that's you want to go, and then here you can see customize channel. You have to click on customize, and then your YouTube open with different tab. So wait a couple of seconds for loading, and from here you need to go basic info. Press on basic info, and then this is the name Ekramul Hassan, so I want to change it. Suppose I want to change it like, and then you have to press on publish. And you need to verify your Gmail account, so process. So verify it. So it's now working. Change published. So go to your channel, press on go to your channel, and you need to wait couple of seconds or couple of minutes to see the result actually. You see my my channel name is update now. So this is how you can easily change your YouTube channel name from your laptop or computer. Hope you enjoy. Please like and do subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in my comment section below. Thank you.